Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can finish a puzzle game in Heartopia. So whether you're trying to unlock a secret chest or complete a villager quest like this, the puzzle games in Heartopia can be a real challenge. Here I'm going to break down the best strategies to solve the puzzle. And first, to on the puzzle, you just need to buy it for catchings, and after that you'll open your backpack and see the puzzle, and after that you need to place the puzzle in your home like this. So I've already placed my puzzle in here, and to finish it you can just click on the puzzle. And now you can just click on start the puzzle to begin the puzzle game. And now you can just here place each of the pieces to the tray. And if you want to preview the completed picture, you can just click on this one in here. Okay, let's see. Here you can just, I'm going to just place it one by one like this, and if it's in correct position it will automatically place like this. Okay, let's just finish the game first. Okay, I think it's best for you to place the edges first like that, because it's easier for you to find the rest. Okay, so I almost finished the puzzles in here. Okay, so now the puzzle is complete, and now you can store it in your backpack. Just click on this button, and that's it. Now I've just completed the puzzle. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.